right, we're going to do a quick video on NASBA's CPE Audit Service, or what a lot of people call the CPE Tracker. And you can look at it by going to the NASBA site, NASBA.org, and then looking for CPE Audit Service. Or you can just type in cpeauditservice.nasba.org and get there that way. It's cpeauditservice.nasba.org, and it will take you to this page right here. Now, what you're going to find out pretty quickly, and as of the recording of this video, and they may have updated it since then, is that not all states participate in the audit service. And what that means is that what the service is NASBA makes available to you the ability to upload your CPE, or for a provider to automatically transfer your CPE credits to their audit service. And then they will in turn turn around and upload that to your state board of accountancy to report your CPE for a particular period. Problem is it's not working yet, or at least it wasn't as of this video. And for a while there, they were allowing providers to join their service, and then they cut that off, and when they're going to start that back up is unknown. But what they've done in the meantime is pretty helpful, in that they will allow you, the individual, if your state is connected with them, so like Florida, Tennessee, and I think about 6 or 7 others are connected with the audit service, is you can upload a .csv file of your hours as long as it's in the proper format, and NASBA will transfer it to your state board that way. Now, what we've done in the meantime, trying to get into NASBA's audit service, and we will as soon as they start allowing providers back, is we have a page where you can download your CPE courses taken from our site or any other site. You can enter the credits from another site, and it will produce a .csv file for you to upload into the audit service. So here's where you would come to do that. You would go here to sign in, and then you will need a sign in to do that. And you can talk to them about that. First time users, just read this little blurb right here, follow the instructions, and get registered. Now, on our site, the way you do that is, say you come to any page on our site, and you would log in, and I'm going to log in with a test account here. So you go up here to your My CPE Think menu, hover over that, a drop down will pop down, and the second item from the top will be My CPE Tracker. That's what a lot of other sites or providers call it. That's what NASBA calls it in some of their documentation. So that's what we call it. So here you can see this is a list of all the courses that this account has successfully completed the final exam for. Plus, I've entered 3 tests here. And you can add to this list, say if you have some CPE from the AICPA. So you add to course tracker, click that, and then you can fill all this in, click submit, and it will add a row to this table right here. And it will add it by date, and will sort it by date completed. Now, if you want to take some of these out that you've added, you can delete them here by clicking one of these little trash cans. You cannot take out courses that you've taken on our site, but what you can do is you can download the tracked courses, clicking that button right there, and it will download really quickly a CSV file. So I'll open up the CSV file in Excel, and you can see here are the 3 courses that I added. And then the rest of these are courses that I completed on cpethink.com. And if you have a start date and end date, the end date is the date you completed the final exam or was completed on another system. You can sort by any of these fields, normal Excel stuff. But what you can do is you can come in here and take out rows that you don't want to upload to NASBA. And we will enhance this feature as we go, so we may offer a sort and a select on that other page. But our hope is that eventually NASBA will allow providers to come back and start joining their program, so we can just provide you a button. So instead of having a spreadsheet like this to upload, what we'll have is we'll just have a form here to fill out, to select your hours, something like that, and then upload to NASBA's audit service, and then that'll be it. In the meantime, though, this is the best we can come up with. This is all NASBA will allow us to do, so Any questions about this? It should be fairly easy to use, very easy to figure out and get up to NASBA. But any questions, let us know by clicking this chat icon here in the lower right and just send us a message and we'll get right back to you on that. And thanks a lot. Bye.